Hi, this is how we give our members and suppliers the unfair advantage. I've logged in here as a supplier, as if I was one of the suppliers to the Powerball group, and this is what I would see as a supplier. This is a tool that is meant for our members to use, but our suppliers need to see what we're doing, and we also like to make this tool available for you to view other things. So, as a supplier, you can view all the deals that have been negotiated for the month. These power deals that we're calling them are effectively a change to the old catalogs that we used to produce, and there will be a transition period as we move away from catalog and onto digital. Our members will be able to come into the site and actually browse all the products that are currently on promotion for that month. They can filter by the regions that they are in, by the suppliers that they support, categories and or brand. And they can view all of these products or promotions. Additionally, the members can actually obviously see pricing, but they can also add the products to an inquiry cart, which is basically just an order inquiry. It's not an obligation to buy. It's an inquiry based on quantities they want to place an order for, which you will receive. And so will they receive a copy of their order inquiry. If and when they order products that come from multiple suppliers on the site, hopefully that is the case, where they may order thousands of products from dozens of suppliers, what would happen is it'll go through as one massive order quantity for the supplier order inquiry, but the system will break out into the dozens of suppliers. So it'll bulk send inquiry orders to the individual suppliers based on who they are. So you are seeing it here. You're seeing what they see, except you don't see the ordering button and you don't see the pricing. What's available to you as a supplier is to be able to advertise. At the top here, there's a leaderboard ad on the product pages. Obviously, this is a page where buyers and suppliers are making, buyers and store owners are making buying decisions while they're viewing these sites. So it's a very positive or powerful place to promote and make yourself visible. Also at the top are things such as supplier notices. We'd make notices available to you, things that we think you need to know about. We'd obviously mail you once a week. You get our email newsletter or email update. It gives you links to all these things, tells you what's there. And then there's also an image library, so you can view, it doesn't really matter, you see everybody's images here, for example, and you could find yours, do a search for your brand or your supplier name. And if you're not there, we encourage you to get your images to us. Please note the information, how we require them. The naming convention is very important. We need to have SKU used as the image name and the file sizes, and it must be of decent quality. And you can actually go in and browse through your products. As an example here, I'll click onto the first one, which is ARAF Academy, or one of those, and the products are all available here, named correctly, etc. So we contact your BDM or your buyer and make some arrangements to get onto the HoneyPot. Our members are here making buying decisions. Get involved.